PUP School of Economics. I would just like to ask all the senators, since you talked about a lot, adding a lot of new social services, how would you adjust the tax structure here in the Philippines to be able to actually fund all of these social services that you want to implement?
It's great. Can I ask each of you to answer that? How are you going to fund it? But can I keep you to a minute each on each of them? Oh, they tell me 30 seconds. 30 seconds to respond. You proposed a lot of social services. Go ahead and repeat your question.
Well,
Uh,
well, unang-una ho talaga, talagang ma-readjust yung tax structure natin para we really have those classes and groups that have the capacity to pay, in fact, pay, and reduce tax rates for the poor. The second thing is, we're putting 1/3 of the national budget to repaying the foreign debt. 1/3, almost ₱1 trillion. We cannot develop, we cannot fund these programs without that. So what do? We really have to bring down the debt service payments, and it's about time we do that.
Secretary Galina.
Para ho matugunan yan, kailangan ho talaga ng mas komprehensibong tax transformation bill, transformation law. Siyempre po, ang pinakamainit at popular na mga proposals ay tungkol sa lowering of the personal income taxes and even corporate income taxes. Pero, siyempre, laudable po, talaga namang well-meaning ang mga ganyan na mga panukala. Pero we should be slow about this. We should really think of the overall impact of proposals like that on the economy.
Thank you. Sherwin.
On top of sa mga sinabi po ng ating mga kasama, ang smuggling for the last 5 years umabot to po ng 200 billion pesos. That's about 80 billion pesos in lost revenue. So smuggling alone, pag ito ay napahinto natin, 80 billion na ang makukuha natin na pwede tayong gumastos sa marami pang mga health services and other social services.
Okay, Sherwin Gatchalian. Now to Dick Gordon.
Dagdagan nyo ang trabaho. Maraming walang trabaho. Kung may trabaho, may taxes. Pagka marami na may trabaho, pwede mong ibaba ang taxes. Pag maraming trabaho, pwede mong dagdagan ang pensyon sapagkat maraming contribution sa trabaho. Tamad ang gobyerno, hindi kumukuha ng trabaho. Nangyari sa amin sa Subic, zero kami. Walang trabaho. We got investments, we got FedEx, we got Acer. Nagkatrabaho lahat ng tao. Nagkaroon ng income ang Subic. Kailangan trabaho. Kung tamad ang foreign direct investment natin dito, ikatlo tayo sa kulelat. Kaya wala tayong tax. Kaya kahit sabihin nyo bababa ang tax, zero pa rin yan.
Dick Gordon. Now we go to Risa Ontiveros.
Para po ako sa isang socialized o progressive taxation system. Lalo na gaanan ang tax burden sa pinakamahihirap, sa minimum wage earners, sa low-income families. Siyempre, ang particular na interest ko rin sa usapin ng buwis ay yung sin taxes. Paano ma-maximize itong sustained at lumalaking source of revenues ng gobyerno para pondohan ang iba't ibang social protection, lalo na yung kalusugan. Yung pa rin mga super barangay health centers at pag-economically empower ng ating mga barangay health workers.
Thank you, Risa Ontiveros. We go to Janisa
The
Santana.
next leader of the country should have the political will. Alam nyo, dito maraming big time, nasa Fortune magazine, pero ang binabayaran lang, niloloko ng gobyerno. Technical smuggling, misdeclaration ng kanilang ini-import, yung aviation gas, ginagawang alcohol. You just can imagine the difference sa collection. You just hit the big time. Alam yan ang taga-customs. We need to play somebody who has the political will to help the big time. Ano? Dito kasi ang problema sa politika natin, majority sinusuportahan ng big time. Pagka suportado ka, may problema ka. Maiipit ang kamay mo, hindi ka pa nag-uumpisa, nakatali na sa likod mo. So marami rin tayo, we can make some adjustments. Sa ibang countries, merong ginagawa na pagka-priority, pwedeng i-lower. Thank you.